To share pictures and videos from your SmartFinder app, simply go to your media library, and once you're in, you choose the shot you want to share. And in there, on the top right, there is the share button. Tap it for once, and then you get to choose if you either want to share it in JPEG or PDF, let's say JPEG. And then you simply have the normal Apple interface, which you always have, so you can either save the image or send it through a mail, send it through a message, whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IBE Optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the SmartFinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our SmartFinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.